everyone. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, I thought we would play a fun game. The game today is going to be figuring out how many letters there are and how many numbers there are in this group of squares. Well, first, let's figure out how many squares there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 squares. So I'm going to put the numbers that we come up with over here so that we can keep track, okay? So we have 9 squares. Let's find out how many numbers we have. So this is a 6. That's a number. So one number. This is a Q. Well, that's a letter. This is a W. Well, that's another letter. This is an S. That's a letter. This is a 5. That would be a number. So that's 2 numbers. This is a Y. Well, that's a letter. This is a V. That is also a letter. This is an F. And that's also a letter. And this is an E. It's not a number, so it must be a letter. Okay, so we have 2 numbers. Now, if we have 9 squares, if we have 9 squares, and we have 2 numbers, how many letters do we have? Can you guys figure that out? Okay, so to check to see if you were right, we're going to count the letters. Now we know this square and this square are both numbers, so we're not going to count those. So that's a letter, 1. That's a letter, 2. That's a letter, 3. That's a letter, 4. This is a letter, 5. That's a letter, ran out of fingers, 6. And that's a letter, 7. So there are 7 letters. Did you get it right? I'm sure several of you did because you're all so smart. And it's okay if you got the wrong number. This might be your first try. But guess what we were just doing? You just did math. And if that was your first try, congratulations! Give you guys, even if it wasn't your first try, give yourself a round of applause for doing math. Because that is a very useful skill as you get older. You will be asked math questions through your entire life. Okay, we're going to actually play another game. Ready? I'm going to turn off my camera and change a few of the squares. Let's see if you can see what I do. Okay, can everyone see what changed? So what I've noticed is that a few of these blocks no longer have their letter in them. Well, that's because they're in my hand. See? I have 1, 2, 3 letters in my hand. So now we have to put them back. Which spot does each letter go? So this is an S. Can you see where the S goes? Well, it doesn't go there. See? Because it's the wrong shape. It's all circular. And the Y and the F are both have all straight lines. So since the S has curvy lines, it can only go in one spot. And that would be right here. Oh, let's make sure it's not upside down. I just tried to put it in upside down. That won't work. Alrighty, that's where the S went. Which one do you think we should do next? I like the F. Let's do the F next. I'm sorry if that's not the one that you picked, but I can't hear what you said. So, where do you think the F goes? Well, let's put it there. That's a better spot. Well, the F doesn't have any sideways. See, it doesn't have any sideways straight lines, but all the lines are straight. And since the Y has some sideways lines, the F cannot go in this spot. So the F must go with all the straight lines that go straight, right? Yeah, there we go. There's the F. It fit very nicely. Well, that means, where does the Y go? I'm sure you're all pointing to it and getting the answer 100% correct. So I'm just going to put it in because I know y'all are so smart. You were probably pointing it out before I even asked the question, right? Okay. So, if you like this kind of video, don't forget to give it a like so that I know to make more of them. And if not, if you don't like it, you don't have to give it a like, and that lets me know what kind of videos you prefer. Alright, so have a great day, everyone, and go and give someone that you love a big hug for me, okay?